How to manage group admin actions on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage group admin actions on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings and click activity log. Then click this one, groups, communities, events and reels, and go down until you find this one, group admin actions, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.